Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are going to be discussing that while vital is often overlooked, workplace safety. Now you might be thinking, I am not at risk, my work is not dangerous, but let me tell you, workplace safety is crucial for every industry, be it manufacturing or construction or even an office environment. Maintaining a safe and a healthy workplace is not just a legal obligation, but it can also improve productivity and morale, saving businesses a significant amount of money in the long run. So, buckle up as we dive deep into the world of workplace safety.
1. Understanding the importance of workplace safety. Workplace safety is the foundation for a productive and satisfied workforce. It helps to prevent accidents and health problems, reduces absenteeism, and ensures that employees feel valued and cared for. Moreover, it protects businesses from potential legal issues and financial losses. 2. Key elements of a comprehensive workplace safety program. A comprehensive workplace safety program includes elements like identifying and controlling hazards, providing safety training, maintaining safe equipment, and creating emergency response procedures. Each of these aspects plays a crucial role in preventing accidents and ensuring a safe working environment. 3. The role of management in ensuring workplace safety. Management has a crucial role to play in workplace safety. They are responsible for setting safety standards, ensuring compliance, conducting safety audits, and promoting a culture of safety. Their proactive role can significantly reduce workplace accidents and injuries. 4. How to conduct effective safety training in the workplace. Effective safety training is key to ensuring that employees understand and follow safety guidelines. This can be done through regular workshops, hands-on training, and providing resources for continued learning. Remember that training should be tailored to the unique needs and risks of your business. 5. Tips for maintaining safe equipment and machinery at work. Regular maintenance, inspections, and safety checks are vital to keeping equipment and machinery safe. Additionally, employees should be trained on proper usage and safety procedures. 6. The impact of workplace safety on employee productivity. A safe workplace boosts employee morale and productivity. When employees feel safe, they are more likely to be satisfied, engaged, and productive. 7. Dealing with workplace hazards, prevention and management. Identifying potential hazards and implementing strategies to manage them is paramount. This includes implementing safety measures and creating contingency plans. 8. Implementing emergency response procedures in the workplace, which include evacuation plans, first aid provisions, and emergency contact information. 9. The legal implications of not upholding workplace safety. Non-compliance with safety regulations can lead to legal implications including fines, lawsuits, and potential closure of the business. Upholding workplace safety is not just ethical, but it's also a legal obligation. Remember, a safe workplace is a productive workplace. Let's make workplace safety our priority. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful business tips and strategies. Subscribe now.